Today I will be showing you the Dell Inspiron. Come on, let's have a look. Look at that smooth texture. It's a great laptop, to be honest. Let's open it up. Wow, that looks quite nice. First look, it's pretty good. Has the Dell. It's probably just the basic tutorial. I'm thinking it's touchscreen by the first look. I'm not sure, but we'll test it out when we turn it on. Okay, have a good look. By the look of it, it does have a very... Okay, let's look at the basics. So it is touchscreen. It has a HD webcam, 3-sided narrow borders. It's HDMI, and it has USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. It's waterproof. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, and here's its Core i5. Okay, that's the model. That model is Intel Core i5. Okay, it's time to turn it on. Have a good look. Okay, here's the power button. I think you press it. Okay guys, we're charging it right now. Let's see if it works, because when we first tried it, it didn't have charging. Oh yeah, great, it works. Okay, let it load. Go into it. So guys, how's the day going? Good? Okay. Okay, there's the Windows logo. Let's go right into it. Let me just normal. Let's pick the country. It's touchscreen. Let's pick the
click
the country.
Press Windows plus U.
Okay.
English, India.
US.
English, India. English, India.
English India.
Okay. I'll skip that one. Okay, let's connect to the internet. Okay, I'm gonna connect to the password. It's so exciting. It's one of the first computers I ever owned. Connected to the internet, as it says, connected. Let's go to the next settings. Okay, it's loading, it's checking for updates. Yeah, you know, the usual stuff. Now it's just asking me for basic updates. Let's click accept. Okay, now there's the Microsoft experience. Let's sign in. Okay, now let's set a password. I'm gonna skip this part. Okay guys, I've set my password, and now it's just the terms and conditions. Yep, got it. And accept. Okay, now it's just a few terms and conditions. Okay, it's just, oh wow, it has a custom experience. You know what, I'll skip this for now. So basically it has, you know, entertainment, gaming, you know, the normal stuff that you would use on a computer for. I am not going to share this information, so let's just skip this for now. and that's just to connect it with your phone, you know, the Android system. I'll skip this. Okay guys, it's starting. So, thank you. Alright, gotcha. Okay guys, the computer is on. I will show you most of the features. These are pre-downloaded ones. Let me leave this. It already downloaded Microsoft Edge. Is that Microsoft Edge or Bing?
The features, it is a touch screen, so if you see here, you can see the what operating systems and what is the memory it has. This is the touch screen. If you see, this is Inspiron 153511. Let's see that system details. So Windows 11 Home, this is 8 GB memory, 256 GB SSD, touch. So, though the SSD memory is low, but the touch is too responsive, and it's like a mobile. You can use this as a mobile come OS. So it is little different here, 11 Home compared to previous versions. So menu will come here, start will come here. This is the start, this is the search, this is the remaining icons. If you have to go for open for Chrome, so see that how speed it has opened, and you can close quickly also. If you want to search something, this is the browse, you can browse something. This is about your PC. So this is the about our PC. If you see the PC, so you can see 11 Home 5S mode, and there are some other features. This is for and we can use keyboard as well as touch. Since this is touch, we can use touch keyboard. So I like this this laptop, and this keyboard is waterproof, and it's very easy to operate, and I hope you can try this laptop for our home purpose. And only the problem I face is the memory, but it has a SD option here, so we can extend a little bit if required. There is a 2 USB ports available, so on a SD card, so we can connect monitors, 2 USB ports. It's not too moderate. Suppose if you wanted to connect to Docker and all, I think it's not, there is no option here. And there is one you can use this for our earphones and all, and apart from that there is no any extra ports available. It's only home purpose we can use, but not for, suppose we wanted to go for Docker connectivity, there is no option here. It's a little disappointed, but on the overall it's satisfactory. Whoever is looking for this, thank you guys.